Knuckle cracking, between habit and health impacts. Introduction. Knuckle cracking is a common habit practiced by many people daily, whether for fun or to relieve stress. But have you ever wondered what causes this sound? And could cracking your knuckles have negative effects on your health? In this video, we will explore this phenomenon scientifically and answer the most frequently asked questions about it. First, what causes the cracking sound? The sound of knuckle cracking is caused by changes in the joints. Between each bone in the body is synovial fluid, which acts as a cushion to reduce friction between the bones. When pressure is applied to the joints, the fluid stretches, creating a temporary gap filled with gases like nitrogen. When this gap collapses, the cracking sound occurs. Second, is knuckle cracking harmful? Knuckle cracking sparks a lot of debate, with some believing it can lead to health problems. Here are the facts. Diverse medical opinions. Most studies suggest that knuckle cracking doesn't cause permanent damage to the joints. However, excessive cracking might strain the tissues surrounding the joints. Arthritis. There is no scientific evidence directly linking knuckle cracking to arthritis. Chronic pain. Some people may experience pain if they crack their knuckles forcefully or if they have a prior joint injury. Third, why do some people crack their knuckles? 1. Stress relief. Knuckle cracking provides a sense of relief for some. 2. A learned habit. It may be a repetitive behavior performed unconsciously, often mimicking others. 3. A sense of control. Some find satisfaction in hearing the cracking sound. Fourth, tips to stop cracking your knuckles. If you want to stop this habit, here are some tips. Keep your hands occupied. Use a stress ball or play with small objects like pens. Be mindful of the habit. Observe yourself and avoid cracking your knuckles when feeling stressed. Practice relaxation techniques. Engage in deep breathing exercises or meditation to reduce anxiety. Consult a specialist. If you struggle to quit the habit or experience persistent pain, consult a doctor. Fifth, unexpected benefits of knuckle cracking. Despite the common belief that knuckle cracking is harmful, some people find it helps with improving joint mobility, relieving feelings of stiffness or tension. Conclusion: knuckle cracking is a widespread and controversial habit. While research hasn't confirmed serious harm caused by it, excessive cracking may strain the joints. If you find this habit bothersome for yourself or others, try to reduce it using the tips mentioned. Share your thoughts. Do you crack your knuckles? Do you find it relaxing or annoying? End of the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more informative and entertaining content.